Dear guest, welcome to this demonstration. My name is Robert. I am a student at ITC, University of Twente in the Netherlands. I have been working on an MSc topic to compose workflows and make them shareable and reproducible. One way of doing this is by using web services, which makes geoprocessing functions and data accessible in an interoperable manner. There exist various tools which contain geoprocessing functions. For instance, Iris, which is a product of ITC. So this was QJS, so ArcGIS, headers, and among many other tools. Web services has made it possible to be able to expose geoprocessing functions over the internet, and so that people can extend them even in applications. Apart from the various tools, there are the software vendors who also been in the business of exposing web services, web processes as services, like the 52 North. Also has a series of web services that they have developed and can be used for geoprocessing, and GeoServer also has an extension that can be used with web processing services. We'll not go into much details about this, but this demonstration I'll just show you a bit of how you can be able to use these geoprocessing functions in our applications to compose workflow. This research was done in collaboration with the ongoing Afri Alliance project, whose main mission is to improve water resource monitoring and forecasting in Africa. They, here in ITC, they develop a triple sensor workflow that is able to combine 3 sensor data, that is satellite, in situ, or famously known the traditional rainfall station, station data or weather data, and human sensor, which is coming at the most recent data collection medium. So a triple sensor workflow uses a trip collocation to be able to integrate all these data sets together and to find which one work best in a particular location. So without going too much deep, I'll show you now how the application look like, and you can access the application from this link provided there. Just copy paste, or you can type the link and then take it to the browser which you have and then load it. So when you load it, the page will load basically with the default setting of the application, and the application has 3 main panels, what I would call the services panel. It has the editor panel, this in the middle, and the result panel, which is shown here. So the processing panel or the services panel has the processing services, and it also has the data services. These are some of the services that you can use in the workflows to compose a workflow. By default, the editor opens up with a default workflow for the triple sensor that is being used by Afri Alliance project here for the section in ITC. And this is a workflow that is going to be demonstrated to demonstrate how you can be able to compose such a workflow, or how you can be able to use this workflow itself by modifying few parameters to be able to get result, which will be shown in the result section. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how you can be able to start by the loading services into the workflow. See you.